Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to create the cartoon of this image. I have just created the duplicate image for creating the cartoon image of this image. So just start with this image. To create the cartoon of this image, just use the pen tool and from above select the path option and then select all parts of his hair to his part to give cartoon shape to it. Just start with this hair, select his hair with this pen tool very carefully. I just select this part very fastly to save my time. You have to select all these parts very carefully like this, and this will help you to make this hair in cartoon shape. So select all part of this hair very carefully and very nicely to give the cartoon effect to this image. So it's a very nice time to learn how to create the cartoon image. So you will see the all hairs are selected with this pen tool and then click right, go in make selection, enter feathering 1, then click OK. You will see all part which is selected by this pen is selected now, and now go in layer new and click the new blank layer to create the separate layer of this hair. Enter hair color, name of your layer, then click OK. You will see another separate layer is created. Then go in edit, click on fill option and select the background color from here like black color from here, and then click OK. You will see that color will be filled in his hairs. So this is a way to create the separate layer of the hairs. So now we will select the skin color with this pen tool. Use this pen tool again and select all the skin color with this pen like this. First we will select his hand with this pen tool. So I just selecting this part very fastly. You have to select very slowly to select the part of each skin sharply. So select that part of his skin from here carefully. You will have to select this part very carefully. Like this, and select this part from here. So all part of the skin select carefully with this pen tool. Now select the face part. Very careful. So I think you understand. And now right click after selecting all the skin part, go in make selection and then click OK. You will see all the skin part is selected, and go in layer new layer and then enter here skin, name of layer skin color, and then click OK, and then go again in fill, edit, fill option and then select the skin color I want to fill in this part. So you see the skin color is filled in this part, and now I want to give the outline to this skin color. Then go again in edit, click on stroke option and then select hair color like gray color, light gray color, and then click OK enter the width of 1 and then click OK. You will see the outline of this will be created like this. So I think you understand how to create this image in cartoon shape. And now we will hide this layer, and now we will zoom this image like this and create the eyes of and other part of this from here like this. And now select this part of face very carefully. So use this pen very carefully to make the selection, and then select the eye part. Select the another part here. So I think you understand. And now click the right button of mouse, then click OK, and then go again in new layer, create the layer, enter eye color or eye shape. You can enter the eye shape also, then go in edit, fill, and then select the color you want to fill in these eyes. Just black color, select color from here like this black color, and then click OK. So you will see the eyes color is now selected. And now we will create again. So just using another part, reduce this, zoom out this image like this, and you will see our cartoon images will be look like this. I think you understand. And now we will create the colors of his lips and his cloth. So again we will select the pen tool and again zoom this image once again and select his lips part very carefully to give the lips shape of the cartoon. So like this, and now select the cloth from here like this. Cloth part of his body, which is also in red color. Select it very carefully. So all the similar parts selected with this pen color, and then create the so like this. So now right click, make selection, and then click OK. You will see all part is created. And now go again in a layer, new layer, or you can use the shortcut key Shift Control N and enter the here name of layer red color, and then click OK. And now we will go in again fill and select the color of this red color, and then click OK to give the color to this image. So I think you understand how to give the color to image. So our this part is also now created. You can see that our image is almost created. Just to make it more attractive, we will change the color to give some effect to its hair from here, using again pen tool and using this option shape layer. Use this option shape layer to give much effect to this part of his before giving another effect, select the color from here, some like skin color, small like this color, like brown color. And then now we will create another effect to this image like this. So I think you understand how to make this image more beautiful by using these options. something problem here. So like this, see? I think you understand. And then again create shape from here like this. So create this part very carefully. So I think you understand how to give the effect to this image. So now this cartoon effect is looking better on his something like this. I think you understand how to create this effect.